Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT2 Pro, and I'll show you how to switch off the phone. In order to turn on the phone, we need to press the power key button here on the right side of our device for a few seconds. But as can you see, when I'm pressing the power key button, I can't open the power off menu, because we should press the left side of our device. Here we got the volume buttons, so you should press the up volume button and our power key button here on the right side of the device together at the same time, so by this way. So press up volume button and power key button, and now we can activate the power off menu. As can you see, just to turn off the device, click to power off and tap again to power off. Now just wait a second, and as can you see, the screen is dark. This means that your device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.